The world of digital media has expanded into nearly every field, encompassing a wide range of applications. However, many features still lack full compatibility with various digital media formats. When it comes to installing digital signage software on an emerging operating system like Raspberry Pi, it's only natural to expect it to keep pace. We bring you 6 open-source digital signage software for Raspberry Pi. The following mentionable software supports digital signage content to play on the new popular OS. Although Raspberry Pi has some limitations in handling digital signage files, we've compiled a list of 6 open-source digital signage software options that work well with this increasingly popular OS. Each of the following solutions supports the playback of digital signage content on Raspberry Pi. Flutter Pi. Thanks to various good reasons, Flutter Pi comes as one of the best open-source software packages to play digital media on Raspberry Pi. Unlike the other peers, Flutter is a less memory-consuming and embeddable software. It can be installed in a tab, PC, or even on a specific phone to run your media on the screen. Infobeamer. Regardless of the project spec, Infobeamer is an all-way-round to host your credibility on the lightweight Raspberry Pi system. When it comes to the versatile uses of a digital signage or multimedia screen, no better substitute suits you best other than Infobeamer. Its core program automates signs for your cinema. A video banner, flyer, signboard, or even a video wall is good to go with it. Installers prefer it for its unique interface and graphics. Screenly. Here we count Screenly OXC at number 3 in terms of its compatibility and feature offering scale. Screenly enjoys an uncriticized acclamation from the users thanks to its updatable option. It is 100% free and easy to download software to enhance the functionality of the digital signage system. If your concern is to reach UHD content without having to buy a hefty budget software, Screenly is what you can count on. P presence. Let's move forward. Taking a full toolkit to flourish Pi Presents spell on your digital signage display. Pi Presents is unlike other counterparts. It is standalone in multimedia, alterable software, yet it supports all multimedia files with richly interactive or a full set of control paradigms to stream your content in real picture scenarios. The developers should be appreciated because they have added a slideshow, cursor-controlled menu, stream choice, broadcast range radio button, and hyperlinked show, all for free. It enables your control for interface with users or machines, interaction over several types of widgets. It is dedicated focally to the exhibitable applications in cinema, expos, museums, science centers, and visitor centers. Signage. Celebrate freedom with advanced features of a free Raspberry Pi supported software. Yes, Pi Signage shares distinction with an extensive course of features for your digital signage screen. The system offers a full-fledged package to enhance, alter, add, and broadcast remotely on a multimedia screen. Pi Signage is a syncing toolkit that can be connected with multiple digital signage displays. Easily downloadable to install on a Raspberry system, the Pi Signage is optionable for any device or specs. Zebo. Fetch a full bucket of features for digital signage with Zebo Signage. Heavily supportable on Raspberry versions, Zebo outdoes thanks to many primitives. The technical paradigms are to host a huge pace of technology with its extraordinary features. Zebo Signage offers cloud computing, CMS, layout modification, and advanced add-ons to give the installer an awe-inspiring experience. All these are for free, as Zebo Signage is open-source software for digital signage screens.